Hello, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with White Aventurine, the stone of clarity. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author. My book, Crystal Wisdom: Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, is now available, and I'll put a link to that in the eye above or in the description box below if you want to check that out. And I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunity to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life, to discover how the energies and the benefits of gemstones can support you in real life situations. And today, we're going to learn how to do that with White Aventurine. This is a gemstone that is a part of the Aventurine family. Aventurine comes in many, many colors, like 8 or 9 that I can think of off the top of my head. This is, of course, the white variety, which also may have other colored inclusions. It may not be pure white. The difference between aventurine and quartz, because they're very, very similar, is that aventurine has inclusions of mica in the gemstone itself, which causes a slightly glittery effect, a sparkly effect in the gemstones. And that is a quick way to tell the difference between aventurine and quartz. Now, if you're interested in the benefits of aventurine, I've posted on blue, green, yellow, purple so far, and there are several more members of the aventurine family that I will post about as well. And white is the stone of clarity. Now, all members of the aventurine family hold this same initial benefit, and that is cleansing and balancing. Aventurine is a gemstone that helps to get the energy flowing in your energetic body, that there is no stagnant energy causing blockages and sluggishness. This is a gemstone that promotes flow down your energy channels, around your aura body, will help you feel rejuvenated, awake, and alert. If you've been feeling sluggish or tired, then that could mean that your energy needs a little kickstart. And sitting with aventurine does help get that moving. But white aventurine is also very cleansing. This is a wonderful stone to sit with if you want to clean the energy of a room, the energy in your body, a mood. If you feel like there are energies that you just need to release and get rid of, then white aventurine will help you to refresh, rejuvenate, and get that energy moving so that you can feel like a brand new person. The second benefit of white aventurine is emotional recovery. This is another aspect of the cleansing properties of white aventurine. This is a gemstone that helps you if you need to let go of the hold of emotional issues from the past. If there is residue left from something that occurred in the past, you can feel that attachment, you can feel it affecting your decisions and choices. White aventurine helps you clear that out and let it go. It enables you to move forward in life. So if you have been suffering from bitterness, heartache, from past losses, relationships, jobs, opportunities that did not happen, this stone helps you let go of that so that you can move forward into a new relationship, job, a new hobby, a new project, something that will help your growth and development. This is also a great stone for cleansing away like habits and emotional reactions that are no longer serving you anymore. Maybe you do them because they are what you have always done. It's an automatic reaction. It's a quick habit to help support you in a situation that doesn't apply anymore. White Aventurine helps you realize that these tendencies are no longer supporting you. You no longer need them. Will help you release them. White Aventurine really just clears away the debris that is blocking you from moving forward. It is like taking a broom to a path. When the leaves are scattered all over it, you may not see the path, but if you take the time to consider and to sweep away the leaves, the path becomes very clear and apparent for you. The third benefit of working with White Aventurine is inner reflection and clarity. This is the stone of clarity. This is a gemstone that encourages looking within, tapping into your inner wisdom for resolutions and answers to life's decisions and challenges. If you are feeling unsure about a decision, if you have a lot of doubt about how to proceed with something in life, then White Aventurine will help to clear away the fog, to lift the veil, to separate you from doubt and worry and anxiety, and bring clarity to the issue. It will help you to determine the root cause of things that are occurring in your life and what you should do about them, and helps you feel confident making those decisions. It's especially helpful if you're unsure about your feelings about something, about a situation, a person, something that is occurring in your life. You're not quite sure how you feel about it. Sitting with Aventurine will unearth your true feelings about it. It helps you tap into that inner guide and inner wisdom that will help advise you and help you to clarify your thoughts and feelings about some of the murkier issues that may occur in life. And then the fourth benefit of working with White Aventurine is that it helps you determine your life purpose. This is a stone, again, of clarity. Oftentimes, we spend years and years and years trying to decide what our purpose in life is, what we should contribute to our communities, to the world, to the universe in general, how we can use our inherent skills and talents to uplift the energies of those around us. This is a gemstone that helps you determine not only what those inherent gifts, talents, and skills are that you can offer to the world, but how you can do it. I spent many years trying to determine exactly what my life purpose was. Sitting with the gemstones will help bring that into focus. This is a common issue for people. So if you don't know what you want to do with your life, it's okay. Like I said, it took me many, many years to really bring my vision to clarity and fruition. And it can happen for you. White Aventurine can support you. White Aventurine is a gemstone that really, as I said, wants to clear away the fog, the doubt, the debris, anything that is holding us back from manifesting our highest good and just having the most fulfilling, satisfying life possible. Thank you so much for joining me today to hear about the top 4 benefits of working with White Aventurine. This is not a common stone, and I really want to highlight the magnificent benefits. So if you haven't used White Aventurine before, I highly recommend you sitting with it. If you feel like this is a gemstone that might be helpful for you, in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with White Aventurine. You don't need the gemstone to benefit from the meditation, but if any of the benefits that I highlighted in this video or any of the questions that I bring up during the guided meditation really call to you, they feel familiar or trigger you a little bit, that's a sign that you should get some White Aventurine and work with it some more. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you've been watching the videos for a while, or if you're new to my channel and you're really intrigued about how crystals and gemstones can help you, then make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you won't miss a single gemstone video, because I post about a new one every single week. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.